Yes guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be going through another trade recap of making $1,400 today on Euro USD, an additional $200+ on Nasdaq. We're going to go straight into it. I'm going to show you guys what basically happened. So on NQ, we'll start off with NQ. We swept Asia liquidity coming into the first hour of the London session. We had a sell stop level at the bottom with a short-term low. Then we came back up, displaced higher, and it was just a simple retrace into this nice 1 minute bullish fair value gap, and we also swept it in a discount. So we came back, tapped into the fair value gap. We had TP1 at the first high, so we came back up, we came up, smashed TP1, had stops at break even, and we came back down and got stopped out. And then you can see for the rest of price that it came back, swept liquidity, and we just consolidated. So that is why we have stops at break even and have TP partials for a reason on NQ. So there you go, we just prevented ourselves from further loss, and it was a nice little profit to take on the futures. Going on to Euro USD, we swept out Asia sell side liquidity. We had our short term low with our sell stops. We had our short term low, and we came back up, displaced higher, and then we also took out New York lows. So this was a high probability setup already. Then coming up, we came to our 0.62 Fibonacci retracement level. We shifted structure on the higher time frame, and we were also respecting this bullish trend. Then once we tapped in, we came back up, displaced higher again, retraced back in to our 0.62 fib. We actually got filled a bit outside, but it's all good. Risking a nice amount on the trade, using half size as the entry was not perfect, so we used half size, and then I'll put some footage in from the trade. We actually were very close. Well, my partner Daz was very close to closing out his trade. I was like, no, hold the trade, bro. Hold the trade. Do not close it. Don't you dare. And we went all the way and smashed TP.
I'm gonna take this shit. Should I take it? I might take it.
What do you mean take it?
Take the fucking, cause it's gonna go back down there.
Nah,
look at it.
Just wait.
Oh no.
Don't you fucking dare close.
I'm not closing. I'm not.
At least put your stop and break even.
Oh yeah. This is the great.
Hello, old fellow. This is the greatest show, and you are currently watching Ash10 Talks right now. We are currently in a trade for Euro USD, and we nearly closed lower down. You're getting a bit scared, but we are currently now pursuing this trade, and if it does hit TP, I will be a very happy fellow, and I'll be getting on with my day. Do you have any words, Mr. Armstrong the Fifth?
To the region.
There is actually no fucking way. Oh, I hit TP.
Same.
Beautiful trade, and is what we wanted for this comeback, because you guys will know from the previous other trade recap, which got quite a few views, that I nearly basically blew my account, and I was like, right, I need to sort myself out, and this is the first step in the right direction. I don't care if I blow the account at this point. I'm just going to take the correct trades that I need to take, and we'll see how it goes. Things I need to do, just stick to the plan, see how it goes, and hold trades. If I don't learn to hold trades, then it's just not going to be good for the future. So overall, it was really good. We caught it live, so make sure you're subscribed if you're new, because we go live every single morning. Because recently, you know, things have not been great, I'll be honest. I'm always on camera with you guys looking like I'm fine, I'm happy and all that. I am, don't get me wrong, I am. But it's times like these where things get really rough. I just need to stick through it, and trades like these are what push me through and realize, okay, I can do this. I know I can do this, and I have the skill and ability. It all just comes down to my discipline and how much I really want it and how much I want to get it right. All it is, man, it takes one slip up. Like, I was just consistent, and one slip up caused me to go, you know, even further. And it's so facts. Like, usually I think college is a waste of time, but my business lesson was actually really good yesterday. It was talking about, you know, how businesses need to look at the long term and not the short term, because the short term is just looking for a quick buck, just a quick return and just quick results. But in the long term, it's not going to be sustainable, and you'll just end up finding that the short route is going to be the long route, and the long route is going to be the short route, because it may seem like it's taking a while and nothing's really happening, but at the end of the day, if you try to force things, like I've literally just proven to myself that this is now going to take even longer because I've decided to try and skip and cut corners, and this is what's happened. I've been punished, and now I'm gonna have to pay the price, and I've understood that now. So I just need to stick to trusting the long term, which is actually the short term, because this is how it is supposed to be done. There's no cutting corners. Would I usually trade news? No, I wouldn't. Do I know where price is going to go on news? No, I don't. Did I lose money? Or did I lose literally 2-3x of what I usually risk on a normal trade? Yes, I did. And what has that meant? That I've now had to make that all back and get back to my original drawdown I was in anyway and build the account back up. That's fine. I've still got the account, but it's just taught me a lesson, guys. And I've shown you right here. I'm showing you guys that the long route is the short route. And I know that you're like, what the fuck, bro? So why aren't you doing it? I had one slip up, bro, and I've now see it for myself. This is the hard way to do it. When you learn things properly, you got to go through it. You got to be hit rock bottom to then come back up and learn again. And I already knew it before. Like, the long route is the short route. I think I was just saying it for the sake of saying it. Shout out YJ. You already know. Just speaking for the sake of speaking. But now that I've actually seen it, and my trading partner was like, fuck, man, like, let's not trade news ever again, bro. Well, you didn't trade news. Like, let's just not ever do it, because it's just proven right there that the long is the short. That the short is the long. All right, I know I'm off a little bit, but I just wanted to tell you guys. And yeah, love you lot. We're almost at 1K. I'm so happy, and I'm just going to keep grinding. All right, safe.